Namaste, welcome to Geeta's kitchen. Now it is air fryer time again. I am going to show you how to make a very tasty Chatpata snack. Namakpara, but with a twist. We are going to make it in the air fryer. So no deep frying of these namakparas. You can make it ahead of time, store it in an airtight box and eat it for up to 10 days also. So let's see how to make this. For this, take half a cup of wheat flour in a bowl. Next, half a cup of refined flour or maida, and this is 2 tablespoons of rava, that is semolina or Suji rava, and half a tablespoon of this white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of this ajwain Carom seeds. Just crush it and add a little bit of Hing, that is asafoetida, salt to taste. Just mix all these dry ingredients well together. Here I have made a thick paste of coriander leaves, mint leaves, that is dhania leaf, pudina leaf, green chillies, and just 1 tablespoon of roasted gram, that is the chutney dal. Now take about 1 heap tablespoon of this mix, add it and again mix it well together. Finally, we'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to this and again bring everything together. We want a slightly tight dough, so we'll just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water, not more than that. Just sprinkle some water and bring it to a dough. Now see, we have mixed everything together to a stiff dough. Cover it and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will come and roll it out to make the namakparas. It is about 15 minutes now. We will open this. See, our dough is well set. Just make it into 2 or 3 portions. Roll it in some dry flour. I have taken wheat flour only, and we will make it into a large circle about 8 inches in diameter. Don't make it very thick, keep it slightly thin only. Now we can cut it into the desired shapes. So I am using this kind of a spoon, like a wheel, to cut it with. The size and shape is left to your choice. Just separate them out on a plate like this and keep it ready. Similarly, do with the remaining dough also. Cut them into shapes like this and keep it ready. First, we will preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees for 3 minutes. While that is preheating, we will get the remaining namakparas also rolled and cut, kept ready. Our air fryer is preheated and ready. Now to line this, I am going to today use this Audi Eco Bake non-stick liners, which we can use for steamers and air fryers also. So they come in round sheets like this. We'll just place this sheet over here. Place it carefully. The air fryer is quite hot. Now place these namakparas, which we have rolled and cut, onto this sheet. Place them in a single layer like this. Now we'll put it back into the air fryer, and now we are going to air fry them at 180 degrees for about 12 minutes. Now let's remove this and have a look. See, nicely browned namakparas. Now we'll remove these namakparas onto a plate. Just allow it to cool to room temperature. Likewise, make with the remaining namakparas also. One small tip here, I am using a new sheet every time, because I find that when we repeatedly heat one sheet, sometimes there are chances of the paper getting burnt. So for each batch, preferably use a new lining sheet. Now all our batches are done and ready here, and we have got lovely crispy namakparas. I can show you. See, I'll give uncle a bite also. See, that's how crispy it is, and you can serve this along with some chai. I have just made some hot tea. It's our tea time now, so we can enjoy these lovely crispy namakparas with some tea. And you can make these ahead of time, allow it to come down to room temperature, then store it in airtight boxes and enjoy it over a week to 10 days. Take it with you on the go. A lovely snack. I would not say no oil, because we have used 3 tablespoons of oil while making the dough, but we have not deep fried. So that oil we have totally eliminated, and you can enjoy this snack on the go to summer holidays. Children always want something snacky to eat, so you can keep this a nice Chatpata namakpara. I'll give you the links to the solar air fryer and the Audi Eco Bake air fryer round sheets in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.